Alright, Ed, I have your quad fixed. So this is the Diatone r349. You couldn't get the receiver to work, so there was a few problems. Your RSSI as well, but I'll show you that. So it's like I was telling you in the text. You got to make sure that you have channel 1 going to RX, channel 2 going to TX, and you had channel 1 going to TX. So going across here, you got ground power, channel 1, channel 2. Okay, channel 1 always goes to RX, channel 2 always goes to TX. If you just remember that, you'll never mess it up. Channel 1, the way that I always do it is I always go black, red, yellow, white. Black, red, yellow, white. Black, red, yellow, white. That way, I always know that yellow goes to RX no matter what, and white goes to TX no matter what. So just remember that and you'll get it. You had the white over here, and it's going down to the TX pad, which is the third pad over. You can see right here, 1, 2, 3, that's TX. So yeah, just remember always channel 1, RX, channel 2, TX. Okay, so I swapped those two around. It's good to go. The other thing too is in the ports tab you had under serial you had UART1 and UART3 turned on, so you can only have one of those turned on at one time, and obviously this is UART3 since it's TX on RX3, so that's UART3, so you want UART3 on under serial in the ports tab. So I turned off UART1 on there, saved it. So that was the only two mistakes there, and then for your RSSI for Crossfire, this is what you want to do.
Welcome to OpenTX.
It might take a while for it.
Switch warning.
Some radios, it's slow loading it up, but I'll show you. So you want to plug in the battery, go into your Crossfire Lua, go to Nano RX, and then it loaded up pretty quick. Okay, you want to go all the way down to destination channel 12. Okay, then you click on it. It'll just say channel 12. Click on it and then scroll to where it says RSSI LQ. Hit enter. So now that's set. And see, that's destination channel 12. So that means that it would be channel 8 in Betaflight. So the next thing you'd want to do is go into the receiver tab of Betaflight. Go up to the drop down for RSSI. Click on channel 8. Click save. But the other thing too is if you go to the receiver tab, after you do what I just did in the radio, go into the receiver tab and look at the bars, and you'll see the bars, the RSSI bar, it'll be like moving around a whole bunch, and you'll know that that's the RSSI one. So you just set it to whatever that one is, and it was channel 8. So I set that. It's good to go. Since it's already on, I'll show you that it arms. So here we'll arm it. There you go. Alright, so everything's good to go. I'll get it boxed up and send you over some tracking when I got it. Alright, thanks, Ed.